Hi guys, Car here from PSC Vlogs. We are still in Jaipur and we have returned to the traditional Haveli Hotel. And we have another superior room here. So let me show you, it's absolutely fantastic. So you see here, desk, chair, lovely great big mirror there. Nice windows there if you want to open them. Excuse the mess. So we arrived here yesterday. So a nice little seating area just here, side table, plenty of power sockets, and a huge, massive four-poster bed again. There you go. It's absolutely ginormous. I'm so comfortable. Husband optional. Nice flat screen TV there. Complimentary tea, coffee, water. There's a little fridge in here. Let's just open that up for you. Nice and chilled. Our famous packet of crisps here, they have travelled with us from London Heathrow. They've come from, London Heathrow to Delhi, from Delhi to Varanasi, Varanasi to Jaipur, Jaipur back to Delhi, Delhi back to Jaipur. And they'll be coming with us on our new destination. We've just not got around to eating them. They're all in bits at the moment. Famous packet of crisps, all right there, well travelled. Plenty of area here to store your cases, right out of the way there. Massive lockable mirrored wardrobe. Struggling to speak today. Plenty of room in there to hang all your bits and bobs. Laundry bag, complimentary slippers. Another side table here. We were a little confused, but the lights are controlled here at this panel. I was walking around this morning with the torch on my phone.
That's the one on your side.
Huge sink here, massive bathroom. Like I say, excuse the mess. So we arrived here yesterday. Lovely great big mirror there. Lovely rainfall shower. It's a nice fluffy towel, your toilet, your bum gun, your toilet roll, fresh towels, nice and fluffy, which we like. So, there we go.
For perspective, I think you should stand in that corner.
Yeah, I'll stand in this corner so I can show you how big this room is.
That's it. Beautifully decorated.
Look at this, absolutely huge.
It's nearly as big as our flat.
Yeah, we were saying it's nearly as big as our flat back home in the UK. Like I say, beautifully decorated, massive beds, telephone as well, see if you want to ring down for any room service. So there you have it. We were back here enjoying this beautiful hotel. I did do a tour of the hotel. They do, in a previous video, so do check that out when we first arrived. But the traditional Haveli here in Jaipur, recommended. Price point, £25 a night. It was a beautiful room. That includes breakfast. As I mentioned in the previous video when I did a room tour here, hotel tour, check it out. You'll be blown away of how beautiful it is here. They have a downstairs area where you can like smoke, get a drink, have food. They've got a restaurant right at the top, so like a little garden area right next to the open swimming pool up there as well. So if you fancy a dip. Yeah, rooftop bar and swimming pool. Downstairs, as you come out of reception to the right, there is a barista coffee shop there where you can also get beers. We had a beautiful coffee there this morning, and obviously if you do smoke, you can smoke there too. There is a balcony as well, area. I showed that in the previous video. You can go and sit out there as well if you so wish to do so. So yeah, budget friendly, absolutely beautiful. So we're going out for a little bimble, light refreshment, because it's like 40 degrees here still. So yeah, and fingers crossed and weather depending, Saturday we'll be going to a new destination. Stay tuned to find out where that is. And like I said, we have been there before. So there you go, a little clue. If you've got any idea where you think we're going, leave it in the comments. And if you want to ask anything about this beautiful hotel, like I say, leave it in the comments and we'll do our best to answer them for you. Customer service here is amazing. The food is amazing. Yeah.
The manager, Mamoni, is amazing.
Yeah, the manager, Mamoni. Well, what a lady. And obviously you'll meet her if you're ever here at this hotel in Jaipur. So there you go, little room tour done. We're going to pop off now and do our little thing. And yeah, we're going to be heading down to some of the bazaars this evening in the main city here in Jaipur. So hopefully we can check that out. We want to leave it to the evening because it'll all be nice and lit up and it'll be a bit cooler, hopefully. So guys, as always, please like and subscribe. It does help the channel out. We noticed that 97% of you, which is huge, that watch our videos, you haven't subscribed. So yeah, please give us a thumbs up and please subscribe. And wherever you are in the world, I hope that you're all looking after each other. Stay happy, be positive, and until the next one, Karam. Thank you.